Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to share your Lovable AI website with clients. All right, so let's begin with the video. This method is mainly for sending clients a preview of the website so they can view the design and functionality rather than transferring ownership or editing permissions. To begin, open your project inside Lovable AI and look for the preview icon, which appears as a diagonal arrow. Click on this icon to launch the website preview in a separate browser tab. Once the preview opens, you'll be able to see the live version of the website exactly as a visitor would. You can interact with different buttons, menus, and sections to test how everything looks and works before sending it to your client. After checking the preview, simply copy the website link from your browser address bar. You can then send this link directly to your client through email, chat, or any messaging platform. This allows them to open the preview instantly and view the current version of the website from their own device. Once you've shared the link, your client will be able to review the site and provide feedback without needing direct access to your Lovable AI workspace. And that's it. So that's basically how you can share your Lovable AI website with clients. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.